Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear learner? Welcome the Welcome to the world of finite word. I am Selim Reza, facilitator in English, Levatullah School Sadar, Jashore. First of all, we see some picture on the slide, and thus what will we learn? Okay, dear learner, the baby is laughing. The baby is laughing. I saw the baby laughing. Laughing makes the baby cute. The baby likes to laugh. Okay, dear learner, laughing is laughing. Baby laughing. Laughing makes, and last of all, to laugh. Okay, dear learner, our today's lesson is one finite and non-finite verb. Today, at the end of the lesson, we will able to define finite and non-finite verbs, list the kinds of non-finite verbs, identify finite and non-finite verbs in given sentences. Okay, dear learner, the baby is laughing. I saw the baby laughing. Laughing made the baby cute. The baby likes to laugh. Is laughing. The baby is laughing. Followed its subject. This laughing followed its subject, the baby. Okay. I saw the baby laughing. This laughing followed principal verb saw. Okay. Followed, not followed anything or anyone. Okay, dear learner. Laughing, in this sentence, laughing made the baby cute, not followed anything or anyone. So, this followed past tense. The baby likes to laugh. In this sentence, to laugh, the baby likes. Okay, followed its subject, the baby. Who is laughing? The baby is laughing. So, this to laugh followed the subject, baby. Okay, not followed anything or anyone. How many kinds of verbs we observed in the previous slide? Two kinds. Okay, finite verbs and non-finite verbs. The verb that follows its subject and tense is a finite verb. Okay, dear learner. The verb that does not follow its subject and tense is a non-finite verb. Have we cleared finite and non-finite verb? Yes, we clear. Here we see tips. Remember it. Finite verb always stay with subject after subject, but non-finite verb may stay before subject after verb at the end of the sentences. Okay. If there is no am, is, are, was, were before a verb with ing or is a non-finite verb. Okay, dear learner, the baby came to its mother running. There is no am, is, are, was, were here. This running, before this running, there is no am, is, are, was, were. Okay, this is non-finite verb. Going to the field, they began playing. Here, going, that is non-finite verb. Playing, that is non-finite verb. Find out the finite and non-finite verbs from the passage below. Read out this passage and find out the finite and non-finite verbs from the passage. Okay, dear learner, you will get 5 minutes. Okay, I hope all of you find out non-finite and finite verbs. Now see a video clips, because what will we learn? Follow. Talib likes to play football. Playing well, they won the prize. Playing football is my hobby. To play, playing and playing football is my hobby. What are the classification of non-finite verb? Now we learn what are the classification of non-finite verb. Okay. Non-finite verb, there are 3 kinds. Now we learn one by one. Infinitive, participle, and gerund. Okay, dear learner, act as a verb and a noun. Infinitive work or act as a verb and noun. Okay. Participle act as verb and adjective, and gerund act as verb and noun. Okay, dear learner. Verbal noun, verbal adjective, verbal noun. Notice attentively. He goes to market to buy fruits. To perform such a task is really difficult. To buy, act as verb and noun, and to perform, that is act as verb and noun. Main focus: to buy, to fund, to plus verb. Okay, that is infinitive. And we know that to plus base form of verb, that is infinitive. Okay, note, infinitive is found in answer to what to do. What to do, that is infinitive. Okay, function of infinitives. Asked him to wait outside. Asked, and to wait, used as the complement of the verb asked. Okay, to accomplish such a task is amazing. To accomplish, used as the subject of the sentences. Okay, I see a flying bird in the sky. A flying bird makes the sky more attractive. Flying, that is used as verb and adjective. Okay, a flying bird, used as verb and adjective. Main focus: flying, verb plus ing, that is participle. So a participle is a verb that adds of both verb and adjective. Thus, it is a verbal adjective. Okay. Note, participle is found in answer to how. Okay. More example. Look at the burning candle. Burning, that is participle, verb plus adjective. There are three forms of the participle. Okay, dear learner. Present participle, verb plus ing. Taking the book, he left the library. And past participle, verb plus d or ed. Give me the promised money, the piper said. Perfect participle, have plus ing or having plus v3. Having closed the door, he went out. A perfect participle form or is structure having plus v3, verb with past participle form. Okay, dear learner. Next we see, put some leaves on the little rascal. Painting is my best hobby. I like painting most. Painting, that is used as subject, act as verb or noun. It likes paint. I like painting most. This painting used as object of a verb and act as verb or noun. Main focus, painting, verb plus ing, and this is gerund. Okay. So now we know now what is gerund. A gerund is a verb that words of both verb and noun. Thus, it is a verbal noun. Okay, dear learner. Note: gerund is found in answer to what? Now, you all pair on plus 2, okay, and write down the finite infinitives, present, past perfect, participle, and gerund from the passage. Okay. Homework: you will write a paragraph at home in 10 sentences about the video you will watch. The sentences will include finite, infinitive, all, participle, and gerund. Okay. The passage may be like, in the video we enjoyed playing football at the beginning of the match. We saw the players coming to the field, running one after another. They were getting them ready to play. There was a referee standing at the middle of the field. Next, you will complete this paragraph. Okay. Thank you very much. No more today. Next class, meet again. Till then, well, Allah Hafiz.